We'll demonstrate long and short stitch. This stitch, as name suggests, when stitching must be one long, one short, alternating like this, like its name, forming long and short stitch effect. Let me demonstrate. We first divide this pattern into two parts. Can place needle horizontally in middle of pattern. Divide into top and bottom parts. We first stitch top part. Come up at middle point of pattern outer outline. Take down vertically at middle of pattern. Stitch one long line. Divide top pattern into two parts. This way, more convenient for embroidery. We first complete left part. Return to top close to first stitch and come up. Because previous stitch was long stitch, so this stitch must stitch short stitch. Take down at about half position of forward segment. Let it form long-short alternating effect. Continue returning needle to top and come up. Each time coming up must be close to previous stitch. After stitching can present tight state. Like this one long, one short alternating. When stitching, cannot make all stitch lengths consistent. That way, not long and short stitch. After finishing this side, next stitch right side. Move needle to middle position. Come up close to previous stitch. Because previous stitch was long stitch, so this stitch, short stitch. Let it alternate long-short. Following these operation steps, also complete this side. After finishing top, next stitch bottom part. I use another color thread to stitch. This way, stitched pattern can create gradient effect, can form different sets of layers. Let me demonstrate. Again, divide into two halves to stitch. We come up at this stitch here. At this long stitch point, come up. Take down vertically on lower line. This stitch is short stitch. We come up at short stitch point here. Then take down vertically below. Let it form one long, one short, alternating. Each time coming up. Must come up at above stitched line stitch points. This stitch very suitable for stitching color transitions or for large area embroidery. All can stitch different effects. Note, when stitching, don't pull thread too tight. Too tight, easy to shrink thread into bundle. That way, stitched long and short stitch will present tight wrinkled state. So when pulling thread, must maintain balanced tension. After finishing this side, next stitch other side. Following these operation steps, stitch all remaining pattern. Take down vertically. Let's see the finished effect.